And thank you so much for joining me once again. This is meteorologist Eric Tolman with the Michigan News Channel. Thank you so much for joining us. This has really been an exciting day, and it's going to be even more exciting when you see all the different things that I have to show you. We are trying to get everyone in Southeast Michigan prepared for any kind of event of severe weather. So this is actually our forecast models that indicate whether or not if we're going to have severe weather in southeast Michigan. That does include severe thunderstorms, hail, tornado, etc. We've got different forecast models for that, but this is actually our conservative, however you say that, conservative. Okay, I'm sorry. It's really hard to pronounce, so we're just going to say that this is our severe weather outlook forecast model. And what it does say in these different colors, we'll go ahead and indicate. These are the different code colors that we use in the event of severe weather. And then I'll explain more in the second half. We're going to have several blogs up tonight, so if you've noticed an increase on videos this evening, that's just because of all the intake on what we have to prepare for, because we're in weather training. So this is actually kind of busy for most of the weather team and myself, so we are just really up and on it today. So let's go ahead and talk about what do all these different colors mean. Well, we'll go over that right now. The first one is, I'm going to read them all off to you. Thunderstorms, marginal risk, slight risk, enhanced risk, moderate risk, and high risk. What do all of those risks mean for severe weather? Let's go ahead and talk about that. I'll give you a clue on what all that means. Thunderstorms just mean general thunderstorms. That is non-severe, severe weather. So that is not anything in concern. It's just general thunderstorms. So that's category. Well, it's not under a category. It's just general thunderstorms. Okay, moving on and upward. Marginal risk. That means that we have a chance of seeing severe weather in southeast Michigan, and that is coded in dark green. That's what that means. Slight risk stands for more chances of severe weather. Slight risk just means that there's the possibility of severe weather in southeast lower Michigan. So just to give you a heads up, that's what yellow means. Enhanced risk means that's even a better chance. So between orange, red, and pink there, those are actually extreme concerns. So we've got slight risk in yellow. That is category 2. Colored in orange, enhanced risk is category 3. Moderate risk, category 4. High risk, category 5, and pink. So if we were ever in the event of moderate risk or enhanced risk, we most definitely would give you all details prior to what kind of severe weather is coming our way. So I just wanted to give you the heads up of the outlook, and just so you know, if you don't see anything highlighted for most of Michigan and our Metro Detroit area in southeast Michigan, that means that we're not expecting any severe weather. The other part of this presentation is that we are also able to give you time frames of how long precipitation is going to stick around. state of Michigan, in our metropolitan Detroit area, so we're able to give you a time frame of how long severe weather is going to stick around and what computer models and forecast models are suggesting. So I'm just giving you a heads up on that. So it's going to be quite interesting. Everybody is going to get an advance heads up because I do check the forecast models every day. I do check them a couple times. And just so you know that the computer does change forecast models. So don't be too surprised if I tell you something different, and it immediately changes to where we have no concerns or precipitation or anything of that nature, no severe weather whatsoever. So just to give you a heads up on that. So that is part of this video. Thank you so much for joining me on the Michigan News channel. We've got more to come. We're going to give you a list of what else we've got coming up our way. We are going to show you a graphic of tornado probability. That means percentage. If we were ever in the event of having tornado activity, we most definitely would give you percentages on that. So, like I said, this is not the way we did the weather forecasting before. There's other models and all this other stuff that will be added. So we're just telling you all the changes that are going to go into effect and what we're going to be using as of now. So we're going to show you tornado probability, that is percentage. Damaging thunderstorm percentages, we'll show you that as well. Hail percentages, we're going to show you a model of that. Severe thunderstorm percentages as well, we'll show you that. And extreme thunderstorms, and then for tomorrow's presentation, we'll go over the rest of the winter weather risk and what you can expect, and there'll be other forecast models that will show you for the winter months, but we're giving you a heads up so you guys have an idea of what to prepare for if we're ever under a severe thunderstorm watch or tornado watch or severe thunderstorm warnings, flood watches, and etc. We are going to give you heads up ASAP and give you all the details of what you need to know and what to prepare for and everything. So we're trying to put all of this all on one video, but right now we're taking it one step at a time because we're learning this whole new process here. So please allow us time to get to use these different tools and software. So it's going to take us time, but we're learning it day by day. So stay tuned. We've got other clips that we want to show you so you have an idea of what you're going to see on the screen if we are prone to have any kind of related severe weather, winter weather. You've already seen bits and pieces of that. We've had a lot of wintry mix and ice and all that kind of stuff. So we've been showing you a lot of forecast models of that. So whenever we have severe storms such as tornadoes and severe weather in the spring and summertime and maybe in the fall, we're going to be showing you more of those forecast models as well. So each and every day we're going to do something different. So thank you so much for joining me. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would like some likes on this because I also wanted to explain to all of the viewers, I do spend a lot of time trying to explain what these different graphics are and what they do and what will happen and the details and stuff that I will be indicating to you and everything that you need to know. And like I said, I'm sorry, give me just 1 second. The thing always does that. Okay, they just brought it up. Thank you very much. for bringing the screen back up. Whoever did that, thank you. Sorry that it went black. But anyway, what I was trying to say before that happened, is that we are going to keep you on top of everything that you need to know. So we will be one of the number one channels. We're working on that, so continue to watch our station. Just so you know, if you don't know what the name of our YouTube channel is, it is the Michigan News Channel. So just look for the tornado icon, and next to it, it will say Michigan News Channel. You can click on it, and you can subscribe to our channel, and you will get all of our latest forecasts, and severe weather, and all of the latest information of what you need to know. And if we were under tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings, and all of the above, we most definitely would immediately give you up to speed of what's going on ASAP and let you know right away. So like I say, we're going to try and turn things around and get things up and going. And a lot of these forecasts that we will be doing, we're going to try and get them all up at the same time. So we're going to see how this all rolls. So it's not a very easy process. It's going to take us all a while. We're learning it. Like I said, we're in weather training. So we're learning this all over again. This is all new to us. So please allow us time and all of that. So stay tuned. We've got lots more coming up. Thank you for joining us once again on the Michigan News Channel. Stay tuned for more.